Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing another one to you, and this time we're going to talk about skin treatments. We're going to talk about how to use Vaseline on your face. Now, what is Vaseline? As we know, it's petroleum jelly. Well, it's not from a natural source, okay? It is derived from petroleum, obviously. So this is basically a mixture of mineral oils and waxes, and it's jelly-like. It's been around for so many years. As time goes on, they have made some changes to how it's being produced, and as of now, it is very safe for the skin. Now, Vaseline has so many benefits, but today I'm going to concentrate on how to use it to get the perfect face. Okay, Vaseline is so cheap. This size here is less than €2. I don't remember the price exactly, but I think is less than €2. Now, this is how to use it. First of all, you have to wash your face very well with your favorite facial wash or soap. Then you will rinse your face and pat it dry. Afterwards, you will come in with a warm towel and dab it on your face to help open up the pores and all that. Afterwards, you will take a little amount of the Vaseline and just put it on your face, okay? You massage it on your face, concentrating on your cheek area, your problematic area, on your nose, your forehead area, and you can put it around your neck area as well. This is a very thick cream and it can be very difficult to spread, but it's not that bad, it's okay. And this should be done before going to bed. After you do this, you can just jump into your bed and just have some beauty sleep. Vaseline is a very great moisturizer, especially if you come out of the shower and you put this on your face or on your skin. It's going to help trap in the moisture, especially during the winter seasons. Yes, you know that during the winter seasons your skin is so dry and chapped and all that. You need a Vaseline. Just put it on your skin straight after shower and it's going to lock in the moisture. It will prevent the moisture from escaping from your skin, hence keeping it more moisturized. Vaseline also gets rid of blemishes on your skin. Yes, if you have those little acne and a bad skin texture, Vaseline is going to help get rid of that. If you put Vaseline on your face every night before going to bed, you are going to see improvement in about 7 days. Your skin is going to talk for itself. Vaseline also helps get rid of sunburn. Yes, if you got a suntan or if you got some burns, just put a little bit of Vaseline on this area and it's going to ease the burn and get rid of the that reddish tone. Vaseline adds elasticity to your skin. It helps get rid of fine lines and wrinkles as well. So if you want to get rid of your wrinkles, fine lines and blemishes in general, put Vaseline on your face and you are going to kiss them goodbye. In general, it helps you achieve a very younger looking skin. It makes the skin more elastic, and that is what we all want. Vaseline is useful, all right, but you have to make sure to use it only externally. So I've been using it and I realized that is a good deal. It's an old something. It's been around for so many years and it's so cheap. I don't know why I didn't discover this earlier, but now that I have discovered this, I have really fallen in love with Vaseline, and I'm always going to keep a container of Vaseline in my bathroom cabinet. Okay guys, I hope you are going to try this. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. If you want to support this channel, go to my channel and click on the blue join icon. Over there you can select a bundle that best fits you. Thank you once again, and until next time, I'm going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.